gutegera manto jegie mbeo mbithi na mono sana kana usanii kile talents ni to bibi na akethirwa agitutarire manto jaja na kinyankuru kitudure to introduce amugani ungi wetu wantu kwe narua ore okethirwa agitweja safari na mutaratara jua talent kana kiwa kiria ethiritwe arena kio. Karibu sana. Wanu pametaga Dennis Mutuma Eriko.
Nani ndiye msanii bai. Beto Eriko na ndiye Kenya spoken word. Ndiye kanini yake.
Anga gato ingirako.
Ganga kaingirako the founder of gikundi gitwa Sana Culture. Kiria ki supportaga tukimbithi na kinya kurubetu kiri mathotea. Nto Sana uteabura tumenyeretie abotiga bara baito itharia tene ito arena atumi ito arena sculptors ito arena mantu mengi mono ja those kana economic activity
yes
na ko kikundi kiu kiona ntunarua ngo
ogwe mutongeri wa Sana Culture
ni founder Endirande twina tongere mwanya jo mora twina na
rwa exactly na nko nda ku introduce kire mutegeri wetu mbako thiro wake mumenya karibu sana mwendo kethia mumeru kana tegeri beto bonde obereri utoro yaku na ndene ya mubango zozo uwono na indo thithaia.
Okay, thank you very much. Nko retor ya kombeta wa Majuri Mwendwa dina miaka 24 na professionally oninde economist but really oninde an artist. The oninde a model, the current Miss Meru, na imbita siya manto zange a commercial modeling around with the face of Dendry bags, that is a bag store. Na nde msani in very many ways onto usani utomba kubo group in one place. Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Kotore na Miss Meru.
Kakoya. Sana Culture inkorere ete manto mwanya kuna modeling. Kuna utiaba crocheting nyatu gwera nyona ile crocheting kuna fine artists baraba choraga we aini actors kinyone actor na kile divas mutindo
right
ko wote arande ikikabu kirito.
Okay. Ogwe go fondo Sana ko nkenda kidogo kuthikira kumakira utarora mwendo tutaharirie how it is kwethero gikundine kiko nature a talent advantage irachirio kuthero gikundine as a group wona tanire ko gikundi kige gutethetie ataka naomba kwera the young people there pomba kuthera bagitonire gikundi tabi benefits nireko.
Thank you so much. So Kesana Art oninde the coordinator. And being the coordinator, oni nimbomba ko run activities ya events and such things. And Kesana Art piratwena pio ya pool of artists, ewe kweze ratwena artist papa inge at the same place. With that, itokomba ko grow each other onto to artist meanya. Twena different artists with different kinds of art. To keba bring together atoba pool. Ekwethira tukiomba ku exchange ideas and tumoso kuomba ku bring money from the art that we do. So itomba ku realize very many ways tomba ku market na ku sell our art in Sana Arts. That is artist pakuma side on there na mostly to focused on sustainability and mostly on everything sustainable for our environment and the long term. Ende patutu itombete kwethira tuke bring together artists papa inge pa Meru tukiomba kwa artist papa inge a platform bomba ko showcase their art na kwethira tuke bring forward a very good pathway for artists para pa nyuma yetu.
Thank you. Kwa ntomboga ka Meru with talent, is that true?
No, that is a stereotype or a misconception. Na ito komba ko break those misconceptions by being out there. Onto tuweke kipindi kia divas of Mutindwa. Ito mbere ko bring Meru to the world. Ito mbere ko showcase ke anto te Meru ipese kupitia mantoya kana ringe tuena artist pange ya musicians ipa komba kurita very good songs toka break the stereotypes that Meru patise kuina kana Meru ti artist toyo na toe artist na I think patu tupati kwedra toe our number one supporters on to support each other. The world ipa kuona by the Meru pena this and this. And tuwapengi pa kuma outside Meru pombere ko realize during divas that there is such art and such authenticity in Meru and our culture and all our arts.
Right. Mbere ntonya kire founder mwanda na tuende kumenya. Do you think kire county Meru na Kinya ome county? To na very many people, young people bena talent but bakwaga somewhere araba komba ka nature baga tetheru kire 1 2 3 mtu akero go thithiozo. Do you think anto bena talent wabenge but abakwaga something like sana abakwaga something that an umbrella body yakobatete?
Yes, I think that is very true because ukoma weta ground kwangwa nomba ko 3 months of bena very many great talents but were yet to be discovered. And one of our objectives as Sana apart from kuba platform iko create a culture erayomba kwithira with art nombe ku make a living out of it. And then ito with Sana itomba ko support very many associations irasi are based on talent and nurturing talent that is from young tax monka k youths na older than me up to 35 all that. And they tomba ko work with associations like Kianja Festival, which is basically an association eta ke ground eta yaswa the artists ya banacha ya ba platform na ya ba showcase to the world onto kyo komismno regardless of art being a very young industry to tena the support that we need that's enough for us to grow with your art industry the next level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Gitokoda tukichoka kioko mwendo. Bwana Eric, mbere nyambe tagie kiori yakwa na inkona kagita na kaka director kana mwerekerio kwa mbikira kwena ago buru. Uningethero ngekuna kaira message tho messenger atomwe motegerio wetu umbe kuthiro kemochokeria if it is possible mba komutete. Maybe no muthomere atomuthai.
Ariuga, hi, I'm Yvonne Kanana from Meru. I have a talent in journalism. How can you help me improve on my talent? Ambuge platform yetu Sana Culture nekogeria ko bridge gap kana kanya kareo kiri mtu kiumbe komba ku express statistically na kenda nontu nokurande Yvonne injari na mbuga tuko na opportunities a linkage kiri media houses na bi kuri kana interview kwa mbere aja ile to rekete kuthithia screening divas of mutindo aja Elsa eto arete na mutongeria kendena studio eje in ways we can partner kana tomba ko link Kinya talents ira tuwe nacho kiri the market na mantu jamu yento kira tomba ko admit na ati kanya ka tukugira gutonya tikatete tekaga kanya ga kodhu nontu ija katoko pioneer a collaborative thinking na in a future mind kiri Sana kana uteabo etu nonto mbere ikundi tu biachemana ya either be dance group kana be performing theater groups kana baka ungana by a band kana hini for a collaboration where project specific bari kia baka eta ikiro ntoko na art industry yetu timero ake indi Kinya Kenya in general tuturomba gukuria era gwetwa creative economy kana orange economy kuma kanya kamo gweta kekangi na no kuigwa Kinya framework yetu ikureta obo bako act in different scenes whether beke one umbrella organization that together collaboration yo kuigwa ja bangi baraba ja Kianja Festival baraba komba ko bring expression yunya na njira mwanya nkurukie batu spirit era gatuteithia kiri industry ji spirit collaboration na corporate thought and to challenges ile oni nene na itomba ko deal with mtumwe twingwa ndene Kinya production yetu divas of mutindo itokurukirete unprecedented challenges na irea chumbite kujokeche learning process na defining points project yonde ni resilience kana urabomba kukorokera kanya jakau na bokomba ko move on bona objectivity na clarity onto dena era yumete ke industry jetane asani bongana ba ide project erema bakuma bageta na gamaritwa bakadukania project era katithiate
bakura mangana mitandao
monka tokaethara twina industry etukura na ikeno ntumbuka uniquely tu sana culture na intentions ira twajira cho nonto nite musani tiga ndio tonya nabo ndamenya usani kidogo onde mubangio maendeleo na kwina perspective tukenda ka tukera kaka kwina perspective mantu mbago taka na musania kana mugoteka ni na ikeno ntumbuka blend na mbuga ninde kuma ngugene economist count ndatonya ke siasa ndaja ko interact na Marjorie no at that time are an intern economist at the Department of Economic Planning.
Okay.
Kuke one event in Kachamani no na ka amused she's doing modeling and she's a professional economist. And I think one of most of the challenges kuona ke sector hizi whom do we work with kuna Marjorie na kuna nyonge orea mbuga tobako mweta level yetu CEO wetawa Yvonne Ogao who is also gotongere to kinena sana culture. She's also an economist.
All right.
To kirato kugira correct to challenges industry kuna issues challenge legitimacy kana platform ya tombako place asani talk about the industry. So areas which partnerships is still a gap irato batukura tuki bridgeaga ingi financing non to art industry ya Kenya ga rere kedra tena element konya how we finance projects sustainably na kwena njira orachi kwamba kuriwa na kwithirwe kinya your art kana copyright kana ichi gota intellectual property tomba ku integrate kesa na omba weta na certificate yako gata ke bank ukafandwa. Those are areas to develop na tia jake Kenya the continental stage and to participate take a bit of exposures cha sani betu. So kile ndo tuko ya kuleta tukitaka sana culture as a formation tutakwenda either to a association ya sani and to take complete in about kuretorande other minds chora tomba kutaka issues iwa ku with sustainability na tomba kuona to create a complete business model na attempts chetu ila to didetinye kedote as successful as we want, we are taking it as lessons kirande ku improve the industry na ku internalize learning na improve continuous improvement.
Right. Ugo tare mantu challenges na kirokie nkienda kidogo mwendo atudura kichochokeria. Erika kwa mantu za some of the challenges irachirio ndani ya usanii. Oni nkaja na kiuria mosuke on the girl child. Akuga many of you are professionals on one side, the other side butumira talent yenu. You are an economist, you are a model. Noko okedro kigira ku balance to bibiori. Bibi. Ogo uradhiro togetaga mono mwana omwari kuna changamoto iri kwa gukurukira kagita na karakugira gukuria the talent she has. Orogo tagana bari kuna changamoto iri kwa gukurukira bakigeria maybe gwikuria ta models, gwikuria ta hasani, gwikuria maybe ta spoken word artist apa challenge iri kwa mwana omwari gukurukira ken mbere ikurio.
Okay. Ke Meru tu itumbite koithira twina a very huge challenge ke anapari ata apart from ke art industry itumbite koithira twina challenges here and there ya early pregnancies. Koithira wina koithira ukiona an unplanned pregnancy iwi ku cut short of your dream. Iko cut short of your dream na iko cut short of your potential ke maisha yaku arawo wonete ukethira uri in the long run no ombe ku reach just because you've been held back. But apart from that itumbete kwithira twina challenges ya anapare ke industry ya art or onto stereotypes maybe to be taken seriously kana anto but consider modeling kana art as a profession. Mtu astoka is that really what you do? Is that all what you do? Onto mtu atekuelewa what exactly you do. Itumbete kwithira twina antu bapa ingipo utumba kueleza like utumba ku eleza in very comprehensive or a meaningful way orombo mutetia kana orombo umuinua as an artist just because art industry yetu ita grow enough kuomba kwithira tukio twina profession ye well defined. Yes, indike anapare I think burambumba ku about challenges yetu mostly anapare pa nini kwithra dreams yo sikwa cut short maybe ku realizewa their potential ku realizewa in time kana at all where kinyamali wastuka natia mtu aise kuina and she has never been to a studio or natia we this and that and you've never been here and there kana natio ku balance both the professional life and the art life uka remwa ku get where the equilibrium is a challenge nene. Yes,
for you, how do you balance between professional na side yengi na to balance ambegine kwina mwaro gutageta kana somebody gutagete na anakuthoma ezukuru na gochwa degree na gochwa diploma na still na talent, how do you balance mwera balance at between your professional side and the other side?
Okay, first thing, balance is very important. Balance is pointera utipio fall over utipio ko uphold more than the other one, but in real sense nobody ku set your priorities straight, nobody kumenya apart from being kodoma kuna something else, na apart from this other art side of me kuna the professional side irante particular lose. And I think one very important thing irambira sani is first get your papers. Okay. Oka make sure kodoma and then oka make sure ko find that extra time yako with your all other gifts, all other skills, all other talents mantu yo yange ondo umba kwithira wena yo onto dai as of now itukuona kwena an issue about unemployment uka focus mostly on mauku career kuna cha talent ku no tore watrima I kalde sakote utekuonge kwa weta but wena both of them no ombe ku kwithira wena option B kana another alternative kana somewhere where you go to spend your quality time na raweta au spend like your extra time tipo ende bombo bakuwa oni balance kwa and strike na priorities, which one is coming first, what should I do today imbi be follow over mbati kuwatela na inyanke look at the other thing. Yes,
all right. Bwana Eric tukuchokera kidogo kire sana na moso aja kire county Meru nkendo otagera mount the leadership tunatongeria kathomba. Do you feel atongeria betu mo ibedretwe ibakwethira bage support the young people with the talents kwena that support area kuma ugo nyago found ke kundike nyuma uno kwarerite manto ja we have very young leaders by egoro kwena ba CS mbuga kwena MP young people and all that kwena atongere betu ibedretwe bakeja mo gutetheria these young people inyawiri kana ikwari na nivazo motindwa neoner support and all that. Our leaders, are they coming together to support these things?
Well, it one attempts, but to throw na sustainable. Tomba kuga kwiwirigiro buriki tone tende sana. Nantu sana kinyamo none uraga. Kinyamo tokari mokomenya ni ari kongwa ndene thirikari musani omba kona support. Ikaraga ja Yento tu kirikanagwa once in a while.
Okay.
Tu lazima kuwa structure na form. Lakini tuko challenge. County ejite. Nonto nione nye ina kamwero. Na kaomba kuithira gakingu na musani. Na karinda kurira aja itwajire kumenya MUTUMA twithinke na ari musani na bitiki Inspector Mwala. But kwena mwanya jwa buu na kwethera kwena concrete structures jaira chumba to kutumira elsewhere in other developed economies ira chikite creative economy iri mbere kenda tukinya level tutiga kware mantuja balance tutwa tukaragia mantuja no withiro musani kiumbe withiro musani urikina withiro tiwenka kwithiro kwena twena a number of artists bara daily butter bread butter yawere kesana ko framework lazima ionekane clearly.
Okay.
Ende da ijire is a struggle no mburi kethera kire diverse mutino tuone support thirikari is zero uteo tuona in terms of financial support extent ya tuona nene eri ko tetherwa era to appreciate security management during crowd management during event through Meru Youth Service and no kuona event area twatumire almost half a million ira chiari umbeche chetu contribution ya sanii kuchitaniria pate kurewa for deferred payments ira to expectaga ke divas ira to adya Nairobi to komba ku recover na kaire to get betrayal no to remember ka watu araki from political leadership na government locally here iporikana itware na create murungi na attend event na to request to the event kinya to the event Nairobi in January this year na uga Meru Institute ega support so na tutweta mubango ne tuje to na support ya Meru Institute when we contacted them baturere to kubanga event very soon na to amikire February, it was February 28th. Yes. Nationally Dennis Itumbi Eva promised that they will support us in Nairobi bogo on the Nyandururu, nobody came through nande atokario matuge sana kana sani bajokagwa bare vehicle eko propel mtu onekana na image na sani wakaraja kwibyo yani akagea nkuma no to asani influencers ogatega sana educate eri rera mtu akodithia campaign anda kwithithia winara wimo ajaga viable kana useful kwikira ndo tukwa tutena frameworks ire itako depend on individuals ati no to kwa wewe to wije Dennis Itumbi ntuko yuna nena na kwa mbuga event ure publicize ba kwa thirikari onekana ku Dennis Itumbi akare 40,000 akwa korea tickets ira to aire anto batonya ke the event na ndio gataka after that iframe ke go tuije jora wije okithia biashara na no kwenda financing ukouma with a bank ugeoni ndina biashara inkoona business opportunity agent kadi the financial projections kai wambeche ungeta kai the project na kamenyora nkare thai to ina project tomba godoro to ina script nyingi mono itaandiki ito kwenda financing kenda tukinya ke Netflix level show max kana mantiajara but framework rato ino begging framework rato ino support sana I to grado one wije so and so matoka ariano wetone no kona rande to batirande co create that's what we hope that through sana culture na initiatives zingi to komba ko amount na to na structured industry
right no kidogo tombe tuchereri mathaje tutomba gututekeria ngethro ankienda kwigwa rutariro kumwendo tukirekeria ukembera kanya your final word lakini ukiwa your final word no mbere just in a minute plus your final word where do you see the art industry in Meru in the next 10 years ukirekairi
okay first of all they're very optimistic about art industry in Meru onto to put the effort na already kuna potential ye umba kinya ube kulilia outside there uka discover uko na by kuna very much untapped potential nombombe kwa in 10 years tukumba kwa itratwe a bit more visible. They very optimistic about it and they hopeful that efforts irapa tu embere tuweka twe path makers kana twe path makers para pe nyuma yetu that is in 10 years para pa kedrape in their prime, in their art prime in Meru. Tukumba kwetra tu baikira very good ground level, a very good foundation. Arapomba ku grow boya. Onto okolelia ke environment to Meru. Nombe ku discover a vast area of talents. Nombe ku discover vast area of abilities na skills. Kwena a very good writer aitawa Daniel from Maili Tatu. Daniel ate platform moku yake atina anywhere to sell them. Na he is a very good writer who publishes na one of the many. Kuna very many Daniels out there. Kuna ntuwapa inge para wona happen a very good potential ibakuma Meru, but there is nothing we're doing them as the Meru people. But ituete kia patutu ya sani parape mbere yo tukomba ku open doors, tukomba ku set a good path barapa yete nyuma yetupa bomba kuthiata. And on the same in Sana Art tuena a futuristic plan ekwithira tuena Sana clubs. With Sana clubs rende komba ku accommodate artists below 18. Sana clubs isira sitete ku introduce wa Keskuru ya wildlife club, kana scouts club around anapapa ni pe very gifted bomba ku join Sana clubs, and then poma ke Sana clubs paketra pena a ready market, a ready environment waiting for them onto tuketra tukiomba ku connect artists padai na artists parape yete after patwe. And I think in 10 years to get to a far much better place onto it to put enough effort na it to advocate for art na culture yetu as a Meru wide and loud.
Wow, thank you so much. Eriko, seconds kidogo tu sainote.
Kudhiria ni ati kurikia mantu jau na kenda kutomba ku recognize kinya artist wetu baraba very little recognized. But we don't last their music, we don't kudi the mantujon the Sana culture na Kianja festival. Ito ko introduce Kianja Sana awards. Ile toko ari na different partners toka this year December this year. Kina tutona a very good event. Ko we ka sum up na kedero an immediate way ya kuomba kureta sanaa yetu ome. Na to recognize sanii petu rabari na either platform ekoba award na koba appreciate ko wajau majority uga we are path finders na tulitonya kia uncharted environment na challenges ni nyingi na dhaitu ituregere tena ntumanzi yato kuthithia jatemenyere tuena gutetha kuna formations ikarije yu togaitwa maritwa tukathekerwa twa kuba kana twa gitara but batwe agenda yetu very firm na ikila ntu tuingwa as individuals and abagoda ndemo sani but only the permanent imprint into the industry ntu run an hotel which is an art hotel they need a hotel erato yaga sani platforms kuthithia mantu mwanya area na area na embodiment culture yetu na art yetu na hii tuko approach another deep set of partners kire muradi joko actualize equator signage area mwera mwanki area project to ambite to Sana culture ende to aremerwa kidogo but rande itukugira kuleta fresh breath area na tukitithagia tripartite agreement era tugira kuringania county government na private sector arabe na mbecha chumba ku support industry hii na tuitone thirikari wangu etena framework mbecha ku fund the industry tubarete amo through Sana culture na tumbe ku activate that kwa hiyo tuna mipango mingi na itukoeregera ati jagata jakia for day by day ara tuambireti ja watu ritha hii.
Right. Thank you so much Eric, thank you so much Marjorie.
Thank you.
Yekudra okeza baba ne bakara tongere basana Culture Arts Association founder na
leo ngio mpeka nyaka spoken word
gutena tena imadhaje to kidogo ndio gweta togaeta actually nya togabuta karibu kosi kionde na ndio tukiwambira kwena more team imadhaje to kidogo zamba kodro zagetana kenda tutarotera rurungi oranku harirwa but tukadra twena some more interactive time na gikundi gionde sana na nkuruki bomi nyabu turetara ngoge irachi kuthithwa pengine ku recordings na mbito ketha tukichona thina kia tegeri beto kagita na katu ketha tuna rorero bedro nge kutikaka rotera ronge ro studio mutegeri mabango zoko kare toringa ime ngokare na Eric muriki kumaro kire tore mantoje siasa totonya kire mantoje sana kana art industry toja kire mugeni wengo yetu muhendora na coordinator wa Sana Art Association nyethero gitutarire manto kathomba jegie iyewa na kwethirwa ogikaria gateka kiewa na utaramu bwaku. Thank you so much. Bithero yake kwandagira kagita kega.